Robert. Sorry I'm late. I was rushing to get her. You know how it is.
You're Sonia?
Yeah. From OkCupid.
I guess I just wasn't expecting it.
Oh, my outfit. Yeah, I was rushing. I just didn't have time to change. Sorry.
You came from work?
Yeah, I'm a party organizer.
You're dressed like a clown.
Well, you can't have a party without the entertainment.
Waiter?
Yes.
Can I have a glass of water?
Sure, would you like anything?
No, okay, thank you. Are you okay, Robert? Am I making you uncomfortable?
I'm not afraid of you.
Whoa, gringo de mierda! Afraid of what?
I'm sorry, Sonia. That's never happened before.
Chill.